just like that, we're in Belize now, guys. Got the family in there telling them, hey, we gotta go. Hurry up, and let's get going so we can get out there and check out what Belize has to offer today. Weather, not looking the greatest, but you know what? Yesterday didn't look the greatest either in Cozumel, and we made it work. So here we are. Right now, you can just see nothing but water and some cloudiness. The boat's got its thrusters going. Staring on by. Not sure what's going on with that, but let's see what today has to offer.
Alright guys, we're waiting to disembark and get onto the island here today, but in the meanwhile, let's see if we have the right skills to win at this game. Good, Namali. That's great. Great. Alright guys, so we made it to Belize. We got the ferry behind us that brought us. And now we're gonna have some fun. See what we can get into. Hot as crap up here. Let's stay hydrated, guys. Guys, if you want to send me a Christmas present at any point in time, boom. Shut up and fish. Ernie, what did you got there?
A little local beer.
What's it called? Belkin?
Belkin.
There we go.
Belkin.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go give it a try too. Where'd you get it? Oh, at the Wet Lizard. All right, guys, let's go check out the Wet Lizard. Tastes like any other one I've ever tasted in my life. So we're gonna go with that guy.
That's a special marlin, you know.
Yeah, why?
That's not the marlin. They got the whiskers underneath the bottom.
Oh, okay, the one that has
the
the
fin all the way in the back, like those one right there.
Oh, well, that's a swordfish.
That's different.
Yeah, that's a swordfish. Yeah.
That's different. So it just depends on which one you want.
Yeah.
You know, I make things by where I saw or what I catch.
Gotcha.
I caught them.
Gotcha. And just like that, it's over. Guys, you just made it to Sloth, and check out this little view here. Look at this. Alright guys, so we made it off the ship and now we're gonna head out to find the sloth. Yeah, you heard it right, it's a sloth. Ahora sí estoy recording. No creo que había record la primera vez. Yeah. I bet you he can trade better than all of us.
You don't know what he's trying to tell you.
Guys, let's go back over there, okay, everybody? Let's go back over there. Over there, down there.
Where'd that hat come from?
He's trying to get it. They're a trip. Look at they just jump on everybody's head. Really, Mommy. Thank you. Alright guys, the sloth and the monkeys was awesome. The kids, well, my kid loved it. My niece and my nephew were like, eh. They wanted to see it from far. But that was fun, cool experience. The sloth was a trip. And now we're gonna go see what else we can do. Guys, I tried this by mistake. I almost died. The worst part about it was I gave it to my kid too. Now she doesn't trust me. She doesn't want any of the other ones I'm giving her. It's messed up. I did her bad.
But I mean, you really need
guys, check out the view. Look at everything back there. We got the whole family here enjoying the view and see what we can buy out here. So now out of nowhere, can't find my peoples. I can't find my wife, kid, my sister, niece and nephew. I found the other half of the family. Don't find them. There's not a whole lot of room around here for them to be at. Oye, avisen cuando van a meterse para acá. I was looking for you guys. Putting my burn notice hat on. Yeah. Oh, I got them something. You're chilling in the AC. My mom's trying to find herself a little bag there. ¿Cómo andas?
¿Todo bien? ¿Cómo está usted?
Bien, bien, gracias.
Lo voy a dejar en 10.
¿En 10?
Sí.
Alright guys, so we got a little t-shirt and they said, oh, that's gonna help us out a lot. My mom's still out there looking around at some stuff and the family's inside the van, the rest of the family waiting in the AC. They were like, oh, help us out, you know, with a little buy, it'll help us out a lot. It's been slow. You're the first sale of the day, they said. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not, you never know. But 10 bucks t-shirt probably goes a long way for them, so I'm happy to buy it. Bought a lot of stuff, especially yesterday. You guys remember that huge swordfish I bought? That thing was a beast. Now that was a buy. That was nice. I was sent to extract my mom from one of these little things where she was buying that book bag. Got to the van, they were like, hey, where's your mom? I was like, whoa, left her right there, right by the van. 3 steps away. So those places back there, guys, you can rent them by the week. I definitely think I want to do a trip like that where we fly out here, spend a week in those condos back there behind me. Definitely want to do that. That sounds like a ton of fun, and we're gonna look into it. Maybe next year. Who knows? If you want to find out more info. Alright guys, we're gonna chill at the beach, eat some food, let's see what they got. Alright guys, so I got stuck doing a little bit of work real quick here. At least it was on the beach. And missed out on jumping into the water right away, but I'm gonna get in there real quick. Old man's over there in the shade. Guys, so I looked away for like, I don't know, man, half a second. And then all of a sudden, my dad's like points and he's like, look at your mom. And I looked to the side, I'm like, what? Look at this head. Are you having fun? I'm gonna leave her alone so she can relax. Lord knows she has enough tension. So we'll just let her be there, guys. I don't think she's gonna want me to bug her too much. I might end up having to swim back home. Guys, this is my old man. You remember when I told you a long time ago, or if you've read it in my website, that you gotta try hard and you gotta try to reach the peak. That way if you fall still at the highs of that mountain. That's where I learned it. Cheers, guys. They say it's good. Guys, and that's a wrap for the beach time here. So we've done the animals, the sloth, the monkeys, the macaws. We did the shopping. We bought some really nice chocolate, and then we did the beach thing. And now we're off to the port. Let's go see what's up. All right, guys. So that looks like it's gonna be a wrap for Roatán. We're here back at the port, and kids, bang, they're taking pictures on this wooden horse. Not really sure if you're supposed to be doing that, but they jumped up there and like take a picture. So let me give you a quick little panel here of the port. Who remembers the movie? The satchel. Indiana Jones wears one. Boom. Mahogany Bay. Right? Yeah.